How to check storage space in Samsung M32. First of all, open the settings app from your home screen or app drawer. It's the gear-shaped icon that lets you control your phone's feature. Next, scroll down and tap on Battery and Device Gear. This section manages your phone's performance, battery, and storage. Now, tap on Storage. Here you will see a breakdown of your total storage, how much is used, and what's taking up space like apps, images, videos, and other files. If you want more details, just tap on each category. For example, tapping on apps will show you how much space each installed app is using. This can help you decide which apps you might want to uninstall or clear data from if you are running low on space. You can also use the information here to manage your files better and delete items that are no longer needed, like old downloads or large media files. Checking your storage regularly can help you keep your device running smoothly and avoid slowdowns caused by low space. And that's it. Now you know how to check storage space in Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.